How to sign into Yahoo email account. Need to sign into your Yahoo email account but not sure how? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to access your Yahoo email quickly and easily, whether you're on your computer or mobile device. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type mail.yahoo.com and press enter. This will take you directly to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Once you're on the sign-in page, you'll see a field labeled email address, username, or mobile. Enter your Yahoo email address or username and then click Next. If prompted, enter your account password in the password field. Make sure to type it carefully to avoid any mistakes. If you want your browser to remember your login information, check the box that says Stay Signed In, but only do this on a personal and secure device. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgotten Username or Password link below the password field. Follow the instructions to recover or reset your password. After entering your credentials, click the Next button, and you'll be signed into your Yahoo email account. From here, you can read your emails, compose new messages, organize your inbox, and more. If you're using the Yahoo Mail app on your smartphone, the process is just as easy. Open the Yahoo Mail app, enter your email address and password, and tap Sign In. And that's it! You've successfully signed into your Yahoo email account. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.